Before your shift begins, the system is already running. Power is moving, processes are in motion, and everything looks steady. Then a small gap in the network changes the outcome. Modern control systems rely on Ethernet and TCP/IP to share data across the operation. That connection improves visibility, but it also creates new paths into the system. When an office network goes down, work slows. When a control system is affected, production can stop and safety may be at risk. Using the IEC 62443 standards to secure your industrial control systems, or IC 32, is a training course from the International Society of Automation based on the IEC 62443 series of standards. It shows how to organize assets into zones and manage how those zones connect, so a problem in one area doesn't spread through the system. You learn to recognize gaps earlier and understand what needs to be addressed before they impact operations. Don't wait for a small gap to turn into a bigger problem. Register for IC 32 and learn how to secure your system using ISA IEC 62443.